All right, so check it out, YouTube. I want to show you guys something real quick. This is the NZD USD. I already drew it up. I'm gonna just explain it. I'm gonna explain my the levels. But first, start from the monthly time frame to the weekly to the daily, and then you go to the 4 hour and 1 hour to get your entry point. So the monthly, the weekly, and daily should all say the same thing for me to take this trade. But I'm gonna show you. So you see right here, current price is here. But then when you zoom out, you see the reason I put it here because last time price was in this area back in 2015, it went up. So this is called support. So I mean, every time price hit it, it respects it. So now, years later, it's back at this level. So now I'm gonna go. We're in the support zone, right? And you can see the rejection, right? It hit it and it's going up. So now we're gonna see where is it going. So I go to the weekly time frame, right? So I was saying it's bullish. So look, when I go to the weekly time frame, look, I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna show you guys what I did. The reason because I want to show you my work. The reason I put this new support here, right? I'm gonna show you. This is gonna be the new support because look what I did. I go to my weekly. I'm on a weekly time frame, so I get my Fibonacci. Remember, you go to weekly, you go to your Fibonacci. You go from impulse low to high, and this is pretty simple, guys. Look this. Look, notice it's at 38.2. You see 38.2 right here? That's the key level on the weekly time frame. See, price already went right here. So I'm looking for a pullback. You see how it went up? So we're looking for a pullback right here. So now that's why I put that there. So now I delete the fib. But then it changed when I went to the daily watch. So I was expecting to do a pullback to this level, right? But when I go to the daily, watch what happens when I go to the daily. It changed a little bit because look, if you notice, the reason I put this here, because look, this is resistance. Price hit it, it went down. Price hit it, it went down again. And then look, that's the impulse. It broke it, right? So now since it broke this key level, I'm gonna short this back down here because it broke the support. It broke the resistance. Now it's got to turn support, so it's got to retest. One or two things is gonna happen. It's either gonna go retest this, take profit one, retest, and then go back down to the original one. Remember I told you like on a weekly, this is the 38.2. So I'm looking for a big push to the downside. So it's either gonna do one or two things. I'm gonna short this on Sunday when the market opens. From here, that's like 80 pips from here to here. And if it breaks it, it's gonna retest and it's gonna go down here. Then once it goes down here, continue to the upside because this is the target. So watch, now I'm gonna go to the 4 hour and I'm gonna show you why we put that line there. Look, you see the 4 hour? Like you see like before, I told you when price goes up, in my last course I told you every time price goes up like this, right? And look, you see that one supply and demand, that's a red candle. Price is here. So I put it here because if you look, you see that resistance turn support. So now it haven't retested yet. So price is already showing rejection. So I anticipate price to come down and retouch this area. And that's going to be like 80 pips. And I'm going to get in this trade. I'm going to call it out on my group, my Telegram group on Sunday. It's going to be NZD USD. We're going to sell it. We're going to short it down here. And then there's one or two things going to happen. It's going to go right here. And if it rejects it, we're going to buy it back up to the key level, which is we're going to buy it back up to here. Or it's going to break this, retest it, and then we'll sell it down here. So, this is actually my buy-in because I'm saying it's going to drop down here eventually. And then once it hit this area, because this is the main area, then we're going to buy it back up here. So, but we're going to short it here. And if it respects it, we'll buy it back up here or short it. And then we'll see what happens. If it keep going, it's going to touch this. And then we're going to go. So regardless, we're going to short it here. Ultimately, we're going to wait for it and we're going to buy it. And that is NZD USD. And then here go to entry point. Like you go to the hour. So you don't pay attention to the candlesticks. I mean this is only for my entry point, the red and blue. So if you notice, every time the blue switches on top of the red, you enter it. Look at that. You see that? So look, so right now I'm looking for a pullback on a 4 hour too. Look, you see the 4 hour? When the blue's on top, you buying it. So when red's on top, you selling it. So everything lines up for a buy. But if you notice, like right here was a buy. Then it did a pullback into this zone. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a pullback at least to this zone. So I'm looking for a pullback to come and touch this red candlestick and we can buy it off of this candlestick, off of this red line. So now that's what it does. It's going to come down here, touch this, and we can buy it back up. And that's NZD USD, episode 2 of my multi time frame analysis I do from I go to the monthly, weekly, daily, and I don't analyze on the 4 hour, guys. I only get the 4 hour and 1 hour for my entry point only and my stop loss only. That's all I do. But because I analyze the monthly, weekly, and daily, and as you can see, we saying it's going up, and you can see it's bullish. Then you go to the week, you see it's bullish, but you guys know it's got to do a pullback. You just can't keep going up. So we're going to get money off the pullback. That's the zone we're looking for, but it's going to do a pullback, and it's going to go touch that, and it could drop back down. So that's what we're looking to do this week on Nzdusd USD. So, yeah, short it next this week on Sunday, and then we'll buy it back up. We'll catch over 200 pips off this one trade, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.